Drifting through, what do you call it? The Amazon? Nice day for it. Okay, we finally got a fish, and it's a pike.
A pikey. We'll take it.
Yay! That's a decent fish. Yeah.
It's a start.
Hey, thanks, baby. Was waiting for someone to bite some fish.
They are slippery, huh?
Okay, here we go. Yes.
Congrats, Donna. In the water, so
Yeah.
fish can be anywhere.
Hucho or pike?
Right now it will be, this is still a bit more pikey, but then around this tree and down there, that's Hucho and Pike.
Okay. Okay.
Flies first.
Oh, beautiful. You're so beautiful. It's funny how it's got holes on the jaw there.
Yeah, they're prehistoric.
Yeah.
That was a nice hookup on the teeth.
Uh-huh. Look at those gills.
Yeah. At least she's not damaged.
Yeah. Yay! It's out. Okay.
This fly did the trick. The boat thing was definitely
The right decision.
Here we go.
Whoop.
Oops, sorry about that. There you go. Just hold it,
Uh-huh.
and I'll get it ready. So she's in a, you know,
Recovery.
in the water. Yeah. Let me get the camera and everything. Okay.
Hey, baby.
Woo.
Gorgeous. Look at you. Thank you for playing. Oh, I think you're ready.
Now she's going other way.
Yeah, I guess.
We'll turn the other way.
Well, we'll turn her.
Turn around. Yeah. Just...
Okay. Off you go. Yay!
She went quick.
Yeah.
Nothing, but it doesn't matter.
That was fantastic.
That was a good pike now.
Yep. I'm happy. Thank you.
On the move. There we go.
Okay, we're optimistic to get maybe a Hucho later.
Oh yeah.
Or more pike.
One more pike, yeah.
Yeah.
Right there.
Yeah.
Like I said, I lost one of the biggest one up there. Lost one really big one
Mm-hmm.
down there. So
Okay, we're heading home. It's the bistro there. It was a fun day.